Hey there, ever wondered how a perfect, smooth weld is created? Today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that turns ordinary steel into something unbelievably strong and clean. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this. First, notice the metal we're working with. Proper prep is key. Clean, rust-free surfaces make a huge difference. I'm using a high-quality welding rod that helps create uniform beads. See how it glows as we start? That's the magic beginning. As I move the rod along, watch the bead forming. Notice the overlapping ripples. That's what gives the weld both strength and a smooth finish. Keeping a steady hand and consistent speed is crucial here. A shaky motion can create rough spots or gaps. Tip number 1. Maintain the right distance from the joint. Too close, and the metal burns. Too far, and the weld doesn't bond properly. Tip number 2. Angle your rod just right. This ensures even penetration and a professional look. Tip number 3. Always wear protective gear, safety first. And there you have it. A perfect, smooth weld from start to finish. With practice, patience, and the right technique, you can achieve this every single time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more welding tips and tricks. Watch it again if you need, and happy welding!